Hello guys, this is our final part of our health insurance prediction series, and in this video we'll create our ML model and check how accurate it is while predicting. If you haven't watched the previous parts, please go back and watch those first. I've made this project as a playlist to help you understand how we can build a simple ML model step by step. Alright, let's move to the code. Before training our data, we first need to separate the independent variables and dependent variables. This makes it easier to fit the right data into our model. So here I have split our data frame into two. X is for independent variables like age, sex, BMI, and Y is for dependent variable, which is our insurance charges. Now we will divide our data into training and testing sets in an 80-20 ratio. That means 80% of the data will be used to train our model and 20% of the data will be used to test. You can also choose 70-30 ratio, 60-40 ratio, that's totally up to you. After that, we will use train test split function, which takes 4 main arguments. First two arguments are our independent and dependent variables. Third argument is a test size, which we have provided 20% as we discussed earlier. Fourth argument is a random state. Let's understand what is random state. Think of it as setting a fixed pattern for shuffling. If you set random state 42, every time you run the code, it will split the data the same way. This helps when you are debugging or sharing your code. You and others will get the exact same split. Now we will create an instance of a linear regression class to use the linear regression algorithm in our project. After that, we will train our model using the fit method by giving it the training data, which is xtrain and ytrain. Next, we will use predict method to predict the charges using the testing data, which is xtest. To check how well our model is performing, we will use R-square score from the matrix module. The R-square score gives a value between 0 to 1. The closer to 1, the better the prediction of our model. In our case, the score is 0.7449, which means our model is about 74% accurate. It's not perfect, but it's a good start. And yes, you can definitely try other algorithms for better accuracy. But since this playlist is focused on learning the ML workflow, I choose linear regression to keep it simple and educational. Now let's make a prediction for the first person in our dataset. So the actual charges of this person is 16,884.92, but our model predicted 24,599.24. As you can see, this is not a very accurate prediction, but again, that's totally fine for a basic model like this. And congratulations, we completed our first ML project, which is health insurance prediction. So that's it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you.